Hello guys, welcome back in IMCT tutorial channel. Guys, we are now today trying to repair invalid IMEI of Intex Aqua 4.5e, right? Okay, first of all, just check your IMEI through star has 06 hash, right? As you see here, IMEI showing invalid both IMEI. Okay, so guys, you have to need to install MTK engineering app in your phone. This one, as you see here, MTK engineering software, right? You can easily find this software in Play Store, or now just search on Google. Okay, then just find original IMEI of this phone, your phone, from back side of your phone. As you see here, master IMEI and slave IMEI. Okay guys, and just note it anywhere, and after that just switch on your phone. And wait until your phone is not turned on. Okay, now just open this app, MTK Engineering 1.1, and now just click on Android setting. As you see here, after that you just go in MTK setting, and now just slide to your screen, and after that you just find here CDS information. Now just click on CDS information, and after that just as you see here, radio information, and after that here is the phone information. Now just click on touch here on phone 1, and as you see here, here is an option 80 plus. Now type here EGMR 80 plus EGMR is equal to 1 comma this one. Okay, this one, and now fix cursor in the center of this inverted commas, and right here your IMEI, original IMEI, right? Okay, when it is finished, now just touch on standard command, and here is an menu, sub menu appear, This command is not allowed in user build, so you just fix your cursor in left side of the is equal to sign and make an space here, and after that again just touch on standard command and and after that you see here 80 command is now sent. Okay guys, and after that when you just restart your mobile phone, after that you just find your phone IMEI is now prepared. So thanks for watching, and try this procedure only in original IMEI. Thank you.